anytime you see distributed property means anytime you see parentheses. You have to do that first to eliminate them. You can clear your fractions by multiplying by the common denominator.
Sister, do you want a mechanical pencil?
Really? Like,
Sure.
it was so loud. In 2023.
Yeah, plastic, not wood.
All right, so combine like terms, undo your addition or subtraction, then your multiplication and division. Now, what they're trying to show you is there's a question mark, meaning you don't know what that equals, so that's like your variable, so just change those to x's. All right, do we have any parentheses on number 1? No, so we don't have to do step 1. Do we have any fractions? Nope, so I don't have to do step 2. Stop talking, please. So we're gonna start with step 3, which is combine like terms. Our like terms are these x's here. So I have a total of 3x. This is what you're gonna show us. That's next step. Plus 12 equals 78. So it says undo the addition or subtraction. So we have an addition here. So we need to undo it by doing the opposite, by subtracting 12 first. This would give us 3x. Huh? Oh, okay. I thought I heard 96. All right, now we have to undo the multiplication because 3 times x means we're multiplying. So now we're showing undoing with division. X equals 22. We're going to box our final answer. So the question mark is the unknown. So we're going to use an X there. On number 2, there are parentheses. We have some groupings right here. So I have to distribute. That means you're going to multiply what's outside the parentheses to everything inside first. When I rewrite this, this would be 2 minus 2x. But now this is going to be plus 8. So I got to think of this as a negative 2 times a negative 4. And then it's going to equal our 10. We do not have fractions, but now we do have combined like terms. The like terms are the constants. The number 2 and the number 8 are the like terms. So when I rewrite this as a negative 2x plus 10 equals 10. Now we need to undo the addition. So subtract the 10. Negative 2x equals 0. Divide by that negative 2. Well, 0 divided by any number is what? So x equals just 0. So we're gonna get into the equation part of the unit, solving multiple steps, not just, so I'm just kind of guiding you through and see what you know, what you can do already, give you some steps to refer to. You're gonna try A and B. On A, what would be our first step? Yeah, combine. I'm gonna put CLT for combine like terms, okay? Our like terms is this negative 2x and that 5x. When I combine them, a negative 2x plus 5x. You don't have to do this. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, okay? When I combine them, when I add them together, you get 3x's. I know you can do that mentally, so just show the result of combining like terms. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3. Okay. All right, so we're good on the first step. So I want you to finish. On B, what would be the first step here? You have to distribute, okay? Because we have this grouping, this parentheses, we should distribute first. Make sure you understand this minus 3 as a negative 3. So 15 equals 9 minus 3x, but plus 3, because a negative times a negative is a positive. So don't watch your signs. Mostly when I'm checking this, I'm seeing sign errors. Okay. You do have combined like terms on B. When you finish A, you should be just undoing your addition or subtraction. Is it 3 on this one? Um, yes or no? Yeah, we should have 3 here. Okay. Boom. We should combine like terms here. Make sure you do that first. I think it's 1 on B. Yeah. Okay.
-1.
Oh, yeah, -1. Sorry, forgot my sign. Yeah, -1. Dang it. All right, so now we're gonna just add variables on both sides. You're still gonna follow the 5 steps, but you need to combine like terms on both sides first, and then you want to also still distribute, get rid of your parentheses. So if I'm combining like terms on the left side, it's the n and the 4n. But on the right side, so we have left side compared to the right side. You do not jump over the equal sign. 2n minus 2n. This gives, on the left side, I have a total of 5n minus 5. On the right side, when I combine them, I'm left with just 12. If I have 2n and I subtract the 2n, they cancel. Now we're back to what we just did, undoing the addition and subtraction. On 2, we have parentheses. That's always automatic distribute first. So 38 minus j is going to equal a negative 12j minus 6. When we move variables from both sides or for one side, it's best to start with smallest, so you don't have sign errors. Smallest variable. So when I'm looking, if this is the left side and this is the right side, the smallest variable is actually this negative 12j, because it's like a 1 here in front of that j. A negative 12 is smaller than a negative 1. So I would add 12j first. The j's cancel on the right side, leaving you with 38 plus 11j equals negative 6. Now we're just undoing our addition and subtraction. So here we need to undo it, minus 38 11J equals a negative 44.
Is there something I already know about? Why am I speaking about? So that
Finish the bottom. I'm gonna come by and stamp this front page, and then we're gonna go to the back. Yeah, on the back, you try, and then the property is just the step you used. Okay, so for example here, the first step you would need to use is distribute. Hopefully the next step you see is combine like terms. That's what they already worked it out. You're just trying to identify the step they did to solve it. So here they eliminate the smallest variable. So they said minus 3x. And then they undo the subtraction. Right. Oh shit. I'll give you this next. Got it.
Is the Alex practice that it mentioned still open?
Yeah, it should be. I would do. You gotta do that next year.
You still want me to do that?
And then I'll give you the test.
Do you want this in
I
there?
gotta stamp it. Give me a second.
So I'm a good at it. And then another one. You put
Oh, yeah.
Because like, you through the front, no, it's not. Like, go in her house. And have your best But is this not about? Because I was just about where she got it. I think.
She's like 8, honey.
Weapons.
And when she's like, oh. It's just the last time we looked at the buckets and that.